Welcome, little chefs. Are you ready for a kitchen adventure? First things first, let's wash our hands and I'll tell you what we're making today. Today, we are making watermelon pizza. Now you may be thinking, but Kayla, how are we going to make pizza out of a watermelon? Well, we're actually going to turn the watermelon into a pizza. Does that make sense? Let's go over the ingredients. Obviously, you're going to need a watermelon. Now, does this watermelon look like a lighter green than the ones you see at the grocery store? There's a reason for that. Food fun fact time. Did you know there are hundreds of different kinds of melons? Watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew, canary, bitter, and horned melons are just a few. And did you know they all belong to the gourd family, along with pumpkins, squash, and cucumbers? Can you believe it? Watermelons are cousins with pumpkins and cucumbers. Oh my gourd. I wonder, what's your favorite kind of melon? All right, let's get back to the ingredients. A watermelon, kiwis, raspberries, fresh mint, a little bit of honey for drizzling on our pizza at the end. Can't forget the Greek yogurt. And one last thing for our watermelon pizzas, pineapple. Now, and this will be the only time you see me putting pineapple on a pizza. No offense, no offense to the Hawaiian pizza lovers out there. All right, let's wash our raspberries and cut up our pineapple and kiwi. Oh, and our watermelon. And remember to always have a grown-up help you when you're using a sharp tool. Now, for cutting a pineapple, me personally, I like to do it like this. Cut our kiwi. Oh. We have all our toppings ready. Now all that's left is our watermelon pizza. We are going to cut it right down the middle and then cut another slice off. So it's a big round pizza. Hopefully my watermelon's ripe. Is it ripe? Oh, wow. I think that's going to taste pretty good. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to cut a big circle piece off, hopefully. Again, make sure you have a grown-up cut anything with a big sharp knife, especially watermelon. It looks so good. I love watermelon. Wow, look at this. It's our pizza. Now let's decorate it. Okay, we have our pizza. Now let's add our yogurt. Did you know you can actually eat the watermelon seeds and they will not grow in your stomach? We have a nice layer of yogurt. Now let's add some pineapple. You can add whatever favorite fruit toppings you'd like. Let's add some kiwi. some raspberries, now all that's left is a little bit of mint and honey for our topping. And there we have our watermelon pizza. Should I cut it? Would you like a slice? Wow, look at that. We turned our watermelon into a pizza. Let's take a bite. Perfect. I love watermelon. Try this with your favorite fruits and favorite yogurt and other favorite toppings. I don't know. And let me know how it is. That's a seed. Today we cooked together. We watched our food change and we learned something new. You are a chef when you're curious, you're a chef when you try, and you're always welcome here. See you next time, little chefs. Bye. Oh no, the pineapple slid right off. Let's go over our ingredients. Obviously, you're going to need a watermelon. Who wrote on this watermelon? Let me stop you right there. We are going to be making a watermelon into a pizza. Does that make sense? Does it make sense? How are you going to turn a watermelon into a pizza? But actually, we are making pizza out of a watermelon. No, it's reversed. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Switch it. Be wondering, but Kayla, how are we going to turn a watermelon into a pizza? Well, that's because we're not doing that. Ari, help me. There's a reason for that. Food fun fact time. Oh, God. Lots of leaf.